Hi, boys and girls. Today we are Tuesday and we're doing lesson 16. Make sure you have your textbooks open and that they're open to the vocabulary sentences because we're reviewing the vocabulary sentence first on page 352. If you need more time to get to this page, go ahead and press pause at this time and press play when you're ready. Okay, so let's start. Um, Touch sentence 3. We're going to review a new sentence. So this is a new vocabulary sentence. It says, she actually repeated that careless mistake. Everybody read that sentence. Get ready. Close your eyes and say that sentence. Get ready. Very good. Actually, right here, means really. So if she actually repeated that careless mistake, she really repeated that mistake. Now, everybody, what's another way of saying that mean looking dog is really a very nice dog? Get ready. Yes, that mean looking dog is actually a very nice dog. Now, what's another way of saying I'm really not very thirsty? Get ready. Yes, I'm actually not very thirsty. Good job. Okay, so when you repeat something, you do it again and again and again. Everybody, what word did I repeat? Get ready. Yes, again. What word means to do something again? Get ready. Repeat. Yes. Careless is the opposite of careful. So what word means the opposite of careful? Get ready. Yes, careless. So a careless mistake is one that happens because you are not being careful. Listen to the sentence again. She actually repeated that careless mistake. So, everybody, what word means the opposite of careful? Get ready. Careless. And what word means did something again? Get ready. Repeated. And what word means really? Get ready. Actually. Very good. So that was a review for our new vocabulary sentence. Let's go back to our lesson and start it. We are going to be on lesson 16 of your textbook, page 79. Make sure that you're here on page 79 where it says 16 and that you're ready to start. If you need more time, go ahead and press pause and press play when you're ready. Okay, so we are going to start with our vocabulary words. Everybody touch column 1. You're tracking and you're saying them out loud. Word 1 is numb. What word? Yes, numb. Spell numb. Get ready. Awesome. When part of your body gets numb, you don't have any feelings in that part. Word 2 is shrank. What word? Yes, shrank. Spell shrank. Get ready. Awesome. Things that get smaller now shrink, but things that got smaller yesterday shrank. Everybody, what do we say for things that get smaller now? Get ready. Shrink. And what do we say for things that got smaller yesterday? Get ready. Shrank, right? It's the past tense. Now, word 3 is ridge. What word? Yes, ridge. Spell ridge. Get ready. Awesome. Word 4 is sliced. What word? Yes, sliced. Spell sliced. Get ready. Awesome. Word 5 is cliff. What word? Yes, cliff. Spell cliff. Get ready. Good job. Word 6 is itch. What word? Yes, itch. Spell itch. Get ready. Awesome. Now let's read these words the fast way. Ready? Back to word 1. Get ready. Yes, numb. Word 2. Get ready. Yes, shrank. Word 3. Get ready. Yes, ridge. Word 4. Get ready. Yes, sliced. Word 5. Get ready. Yes, cliff. Word 6. Get ready. Yes, itch. Now let's go to column 2. All these words have an ending. The first part of each word is underlined. So we're going to read the first part and then the rest. So look at word 1. Read the underlined part. Get ready. Yes, grind. Read the whole word. Get ready. Yes, grinding. Word 2. Read the underlined part. Get ready. Glance. Read the whole word. Get ready. Yes, glanced. Word 3. Read the underlined part. Get ready. Yes, punish. Read the whole word. Get ready. Yes, punishment. Word 4. Read the underlined part. Get ready. Swarm. Read the whole word. Get ready. Swarming. Word 5. Read the underlined part. Get ready. Nice. Read the whole word. Nicer. Word 6. Read the underlined part. Get ready. Speckle. Read the whole word. Get ready. Yes, speckled. Now let's go back to word 1 and read the words the fast way. Ready? Word 1. What word? Yes, grinding. Word 2. What word? Yes, glanced. Word 3. What word? Yes, punishment. Word 4. What word? Yes, swarming. Word 5. What word? Yes, nicer. Word 6. What word? Yes, speckled. Awesome. Now find column 3. We're going to read these words the fast way, so you need to be ready. Ready? Word 1. What word? Groans. Word 2. What word? Creaks. Word 3. What word? Mosquitoes. Word 4. What word? No-see-ums. Remember the new insects we learned about? Column 4. We're going to read these words the fast way as well. You ready? Point your finger to word 1. Word 1. What word? Ignore. Word 2. What word? Enter. Word 3. What word? Sloshing. Word 4. What word? Fourth. Word 5. What word? Schoolyard. Awesome. Now we're going to find part B in our textbook and we are going to read the next story about Umu and Ulok. But first we're going to read the information passage. It gives some facts about killer whales. So everybody touch the title. I'm going to read it and I'm going to ask you the questions. All you have to do is listen and follow along with your finger and answer the questions. Ready? So fingers on the first word of the title and I'm going to read it. Facts about killer whales. So I'm going to start. You'll be reading more about killer whales. Here are facts about killer whales. Killer whales are about 12 meters long. Most other whales are much longer than killer whales. So everybody, about how long are killer whales? Get ready. 12 meters long, yes. How do killer whales compare in size with other whales? Get ready. Yeah, they're smaller than other whales, so imagine that. Let's continue reading. Killer whales are not fish. Fish are cold-blooded. Whales are warm-blooded, like bears, humans, and dogs. So everybody, are killer whales fish? Get ready. No, right? How do you know they're not fish? Get ready. Yeah, right, because they are not cold-blooded. So name some other animals that are warm-blooded, like killer whales. Get ready. Yeah, we have humans, bears, dogs, cats. All of those are warm-blooded. Let's continue reading. Killer whales are very smart. So everybody say that fact, starting with killer. Get ready. Awesome. Let's continue reading. Some scientists think that killer whales are smarter than dogs. Killer whales hunt in packs. So everybody say that fact, starting with killer here. Get ready. Yes, what does that mean? They hunt in packs. Get ready. Yeah, right? That they hunt in a group, not by themselves, in groups. They kill larger whales, polar bears, seals, or any other animal that is in the water. So I don't think I would want to be near a pack of them. Imagine that. Scary. Okay, now it's time for you to read the story on your own. You pause the video at this time. And remember to try to make less than 12 errors. Read it on your own. And when you're ready for me to read it to you and ask you some questions, press play on the video. Okay, so if you're pressing play at this time, it's because you've read the story on your own. And now I'm going to read it to you and ask you some questions. So everybody touch the title. I'm going to start with the title. Let me move. The beach. Umu's father said, "You must stay away from us." Then he ordered Umu and Ulak to stay near their summer house for 2 full days. So why did he order them to stay there? Get ready. Yeah, because they disobeyed him and played with us. Let me continue reading. Umu and Ulak were not to go down to the beach or on the ice floe or into the hills. Umu's family had just moved into their summer home, which was a tent on a ridge near the ocean. Everybody, what was their summer home? Get ready. A tent. Where was it? Get ready. Yes, on a ridge near the ocean. So what could you see from their summer home? Get ready. Yeah, the ocean, right? If it was close to the ocean. Let me continue reading. Their winter home was at the bottom of a cliff right next to the beach. The winter home was a cave dug into the side of the cliff. Why would they want a cave for their winter home? Get ready. Yeah, because it's possibly warmer, right? Than just a tent. The screaming winter wind could not get inside the cave. The summer home was much nicer, and it was much larger than the cave. It was made from animal skins. The only problem with the summer home was the bugs. Everybody, what was the problem with the summer home? Get ready. Yes, the bugs, right? Let's continue reading. Flip the page and follow along. We're going to be here now. As soon as the snow starts to melt in Alaska, insects come out. Mosquitoes come out in the clouds. Millions and millions of them. The mosquitoes don't seem to bother the bears or the dogs, but they sure bother humans. There are also biting flies in Alaska. Biting flies look like ordinary flies, but they bite like mosquitoes. They leave red bumps that itch. So, when do insects first come out? Get ready. Yeah, when the snow starts melting. How many mosquitoes are there? Get ready. Yes, millions and millions of them. And everybody, what other kinds of biting insects is there? Get ready. Biting flies. Let's continue reading. There are other biting flies, very small ones, and there are also little insects so small that you have to look very carefully to see them. They come out when the sun goes down and they bite. Their bites feel like mosquito bites, but they do not leave a red mark. These tiny bugs are called no-see-ums. Everybody, what kept the bugs away? Oh, sorry, not that question. I'm not there yet. It's everybody, what are the very tiny biting bugs called? Get ready? Yes, no-see-ums, right? Let's continue reading. Umu didn't like the bugs, but she managed to ignore them most of the time, and Umu's summer home was in a place where the wind blew hard. When the wind blew, the bugs stayed away. Now, everybody, what kept the bugs away? Get ready? Yes, the wind, right? Let me continue reading. Umu was being punished, but she really didn't mind sitting there on the hill near her summer home, looking down at the beach. The beach was like a circus that had a million different acts. There were acts from the elephant seals. They were swarming on the beach about half a mile from Umu's summer home. Male seals were fighting for the best places on the beach. So everybody look at the picture. So let's look at the picture. Touch Umu's summer home. She'll be touching right here. This is her summer home. What is Umu doing in the picture? Get ready. Yeah, right? She's looking out at the ocean and she's sitting next to her tent looking at the seals. Everybody touch the elephant seals. Get ready. You're supposed to touch the elephant seals. And now, which seals were fighting? The male or the female? Get ready. The male. Very good. I'm going to continue reading, so we're going to go back to here, to this column. Closer to Umu was another act. Two walruses were lying on a part of the beach that was speckled with thousands of birds. In the ocean were the killer whales swimming back and forth just beyond the end of the ice floe. The killer whales were waiting for the seals to enter the water. Everybody touch the walruses on the beach? Yes, we're supposed to touch the walruses. Touch the killer whales. They're over here. Why were they waiting for the seals? Get ready. Yes, to eat them. Scary. Let's continue reading. As Umu watched the killer whales, she remembered a time when she had been very close to them. She had been out in a kayak with her father. It was late spring and the ocean was very calm. Umu's father paddled the kayak past the end of the ice floe. Suddenly, three huge killer whales appeared in the water. The fins of the killer whales sliced through the water as they circled the boat. Then, one of the whales lifted its head out of the water and seemed to look right at Umu. The whale opened its mouth and Umu could see the shiny white row of knives. So, what are those knives? Get ready. Yeah, right? She's talking about the killer whale's teeth. So, everybody, were the killer whales around when Umu and her father started out? Get ready. No, right? When did they appear? Get ready. Yeah, when they were past the ice floe. So how do you think Umu felt? Get ready. Yeah, right, very frightened. I know I would feel very scared. Let's continue reading. The well was only a few meters from the kayak. It looked at Umu for a few seconds and slipped back into the water, making a sloshing sound. Umu and her father sat silently in the kayak. Umu was so frightened that her hands were shaking. Then slowly the three killer whales moved away from the kayak. So let's continue reading. As Umu sat on the ridge looking out at the killer whales and thinking about what had happened, she could feel goosebumps on her arms. I never want to be that close to a killer whale again, she said to herself. Then the sounds on the beach caught her attention. Some of the birds near the walruses were fighting. So, everybody, what did Umu feel on her arms as she watched the killer whales? Get ready. Yes, goosebumps. Why? Get ready. Yeah, because she was thinking about imagining herself being very close to them again, and that thought frightened her. So, what caught her attention and made her stop thinking about the whales? Get ready. Yeah, right, that there were some birds near the walruses fighting now. Okay, so that got her attention off. Now it's your turn to finish your work. You're going to finish your textbook questions. One, number your paper 1 through 13. Remember, I want to see your headings on your paper. So it's only these 2 pages. Then you do your workbook for lesson 13. For lesson 16, which is here. And make sure you write your heading as well. You do front and back. And make sure that you practice doing quality work, remember, because we're soon, very, very soon, going to be second graders. So that's it. See you guys on Wednesday. Bye.